Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. This is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this Honey Rose Lipsense application and me telling you about senegence, kiss and tell, you want to be signed up because new products are launching tonight. Please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I wanted to hop on and do a lip sense that is old, but it's a goodie, and I have some things to tell you guys about. So the link I share, you can shop, right? But today or tonight, senegence is dropping new products. We don't even know what they are. And senegence is saying that you want to be signed up for the Kiss and Tell program because something is happening with that. I don't even know. But it is free to sign up for the month of January. And if you spend $100, you get free shipping, plus your products, plus you get free samples. So, and if you spend $150, you get free shipping, samples, your products, and a free gift. We don't even know what that is. So, when you go to click on what you want, like checkout, right before you go to checkout with your products, you want to scroll down where it says right before checkout, you want to click on preferred customer or Kiss and Tell. And that gets you, right now, it gets you 10% off all your purchases all year round. Even if senegence is having a sale, like on skincare, you get 15% off, plus an extra 10% off that, somebody who didn't sign up for the Kiss and Tell, so that's a total of 25% off. So if you want to sign up, it's free this month. So as I'm talking to you, I'm going to do this Honey Rose Lipsense. I've worn it once, but if you've never heard me talk about Lipsense is a liquid lip color that is equal up to 3 tubes of regular, sorry, I have a sinus infection. 3 regular tubes of regular lipstick. It is smudge proof, kiss proof. It lasts from 4 to 18 hours. It's lead free, wax free, cruelty free. It's not tested on any animals, and it is long lasting. So, and today only, I think, I just heard about it, that's why I'm hopping on here, is if you make a purchase through my link, you will get, of $25, you will get a free lip sense called Pink Champagne. And that is an amazing color. It's very nude lip. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. Our lip sense has shimmer, and we have mattes, and we have frosty colors. So you want to get a rag wet before you apply it, and you want to wipe off all the food and the makeup that could possibly be on your lips. And this lip sense is water resistant, and it lasts from 4 to 18 hours. You want to shake it really, really good. Even if it's brand new, you want to shake it. apply it in 3 thin layers. While you're applying it, your lips cannot touch, but you can go back in and touch it up. Once you add each layer in, you want to make sure it's dry to the touch before you go and apply it. Once you are done applying your 3 thin layers, you're going to top it with Glossy Gloss. So that is to seal it in. It is a must. So if you are new to Lipsense and you're just watching this, a starter kit comes with a Lipsense of your choice and a Glossy Gloss. That is $55. And then this is a must. It's an oops remover. So like if you were to mess up on your lips, or at the end of the day when you're taking off your makeup, you want to use an oops remover to remove the Lipsense. This has coconut oil in it, and it's really, really good. It has some other things in it. I'm probably gonna do a video very soon on it. So yeah, your lips can't touch, so I try not to talk during this part. And at the very end, I will try to fit in all the facts, but I wanted to tell you about the Kiss and Tell program, and it's free to sign up. So, it's not new, it's just, and before you apply it, it comes with a wand. You want to make sure the wand is wiped off because there's extra on there. And you're gonna go in the same direction that you start with. So here I go. Here is layer 1. Okay. I got off. So, there's layer 1. It's very pretty. I'm getting my hair done next week. I'm super excited because it didn't last very long. I have great hair from my vitiligo. Oh, your lips cannot touch. You want to make sure it's dry to the touch. Layer 2. I'm loving this color. Okay. There you go. Make sure that it's all covered. I like to wear all colors. Doesn't matter if it's winter color, spring, summery. Like I wear summer colors in the winter. Like that's just how it is. Okay, if it's still sticky, you wanna wait. But some colors take up to 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So, and I did kind of a smoky eye look this morning. So, okay, third layer. This is the last and final layer. Wipe off the excess. Okay, super ready in the mirror. Third layer has to be dry to touch. Okay, nothing to touch. Then I'm gonna seal it in with Glossy Gloss. This is what makes it stay. You don't have to wipe off the edge. And with this, you don't have to go in the same direction you start. So, the wand is clear, do you see that? Okay. Once it's on, you want to rub your lips together, and there you have it. There's nothing on my hand. The only thing that comes off is the glossy gloss. So we do have matte clear gloss if you don't want the glossy gloss. We do have a matte gloss. It's just going to give you a matte finish instead of a glossy. I kind of prefer the glossy look. So, if you have any questions about signing up for the Kiss and Tell, don't hesitate to ask me. That's what I'm here for. I just wanted to hop on and tell you guys about this. So, Lipsense is a liquid lip color that is equal up to 3 tubes of regular Lipsense. It's wax-free, lead-free, cruelty-free, vegan-free. It's not tested on any animals. Doesn't have any animal products in it. It lasts from 4 to 18 hours, and it's kiss-proof. And I can drink coffee. I can eat food. I do go in and gloss before I eat or after I eat too, so that it has this power of bonding. So it's pretty cool. If you want to know more, please don't hesitate to ask me. Please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell before you leave, so that you will be notified when I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. One thing I forgot to add, I was going to go over some things, and I kind of did already, but when you're applying it, you want to wipe off, you want to wipe your lips off first, and then you want to blot them dry, and then you shake the Lipsense, and then you start applying it. Apply it in the same direction you first started with each layer. After each layer is dry, then you add in the gloss. And that is it. Sorry I came back, but I just wanted to throw that in there. And also, this is kind of a frosty one. It's like a reddish orange, I think. I'm not sure. It's very, very pretty. So, thanks for watching again, and please hit that like button, and please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. Okay, one thing I forgot to add, I keep coming back. So, if you order like a shadow sense or a lip sense, other color, something, with any order, you get a free lip sense color, which is pink champagne. And technically, you could buy, if you're new to lip sense and senegence makeup, you could buy a glossy gloss to seal it in like I did. And then you could buy an oops remover that's $30. So instead of paying $55 or $66, you would pay $30 because you already have the Lipsense color for free. So that's like a major deal. And if you've been on the fence about Lipsense, don't be. Like, pink champagne is one of my favorites, and it's an everyday wearable color. It goes with anything and everything. So I just wanted to throw that out there once again. So I think that this is the last time I will come back. So thanks for watching.